Information about Carya ovata. Carya ovata, commonly known as the shagbark hickory, is a species of deciduous tree native to eastern North America. It belongs to the Juglandaceae family, which also includes walnuts and pecans. Shagbark hickory can grow up to 30 to 40 meters tall and has a distinctive shaggy bark, which peels away from the trunk in long, narrow strips. The leaves are compound, with 5 to 7 leaflets, and are dark green and glossy. The tree produces edible nuts, which are enclosed in a thick, hard shell and are a food source for a variety of wildlife. Shagbark hickory prefers well-drained soils and can tolerate a range of soil types, including sandy, loamy, and clay soils. It is also tolerant of drought and can grow in both full sun and partial shade. Historically, shagbark hickory has been used for a variety of purposes by indigenous peoples and early settlers. The wood is hard and durable, making it suitable for tool handles, furniture, and flooring. The nuts were also an important food source, and were eaten raw or roasted, and used in baking and cooking. Today, shagbark hickory is often grown as an ornamental tree for its distinctive bark and attractive foliage. It is also cultivated for its nuts, which are sold commercially and used in a variety of products, including candies, baked goods, and ice cream.